So we're going to kind of figure out how we're going to use the Vista module and integrate it with other stuff as needed, and what's it going to do, and how we're going to work it, and how's that going to work. So
Okay.
let's go through the checklist of the building blocks of this module. Let's go EM cost types. So the key thing to understand what's going on here, go to the grid view, and then pull that to the right. Let's go to EM cost codes. So let's go to the grid here, and let's pull. So in the job cost module, every job, if you run a cost report on a job, has to have a phase and a cost type. In the equipment module, very same kind of three-tier tracking. Equipment costs are broken down by cost codes and cost types. Okay. So what we've done so far is saying, hey, for cost codes, we have repairs and maintenance, lease, depreciation, insurance, and fuel. Those are our cost codes, which are similar to phases. And then if you click on the cost types tab to the left there, Will, we have said, now we need to say for repairs and maintenance, right now, the only reason we put 1 and 2 out there was in case we ever had our own mechanics and we had our own parts that we were going to fix our stuff. I believe what we said is since Enterprise, we've subcontracted it to, we just went ahead and put it as third-party rental because we use Enterprise to maintain our fleet and our equipment.
Sorry, I was trying to get this in, but it's showing grid.
And applying okay.
Is it just
You know, sometimes those things don't always work. So there's a few situations for whatever reasons the descriptions can't get in there. But
okay.
So does that make sense to you that we would not have labor and parts for now, but we put that in for labor for later, just in case we ever did have our own mechanics and our mechanics were putting on our own parts and we were self-performing our maintenance, that we would use 1 and 2. But for now, it makes sense that just 3 is associated. Click up to 100 in the header and let's scroll to the next one. Lease, where 1 cost code is linked to 1 cost type. Next. Depreciation, same story. Next. Insurance, same situation. And fuel. Okay. So we have kind of a one-to-one relationship between our cost types and our cost codes. Okay. And the next step is going to link those to the general ledger using EM departments. Okay, so the same thing that we learned in job costs, go ahead and close out of here, transcends over to the